Please on the track. Let's go.
With it, let's go.
You went to school to learn, girl. You never do before. But you plus two make 4, 9, 9, 9. I'm gonna teach you all about love, yeah.
Sit yourself down, take a seat. All you gotta do is repeat after me.
ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm simple as so with me. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm simple as so with me. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl.
Sick with it, groove, let's go.
I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm mad. I'm so flying at the dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Got all these hoes in my DM. Hold up. Holy shit, I gotta kiss. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can see the N-word. Wait, can I really see the N-word? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga. We up, my nigga. You pussy ass nigga. Man, fuck y'all niggas. Cause I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. Driving Ferrari. Like skin black.
ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm simple as so with me. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm simple as so with me. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl.
How's Dick staying perched up on his balls like that? Walking down the street and ain't nobody know my name. Ain't no paparazzi flashing pictures, this is great. Ain't nobody judging cause I'm black or my controversial past. I'ma go and see a movie and relax. Hey, I'm a blood, but I can finally wear blue. Why's his mama calling all the time? Leave me the fuck alone, bitch. Wait, if I'm in Biggie body, Breezy is who? Oh, my daughter's in school. Fuck, if I was Chris Brown, where would I be? What would I do?
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I look at myself, ain't get the light. It's my dream.
If I was little Diggy in my body, where would I be? I'm trying to find myself like an introspective monk.
I'm balling on the court, oh my God, I can know. Snap a flick of my junk.
My dick is trending on Twitter. Fuck. Now I'm at the club, I talk my way into getting in. I look up in the VIP, my goodness, there I am. I signal to him, let me in, but he won't let me in.
I don't know who that is.
Wait, who the fuck he think he is? Took a glass bottle, shatter it on the bouncer's head. Walk up to that motherfucker.
Wait, think it through for a sec. If you heard me, then you only heard it yourself.
Oh wait, I love myself.
That was the key, now it's